Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A firm previously spent $20,000 studying a project. It's now considering investing $100,000 in equipment that will generate positive MPV. How would the $20,000 be treated? So we're looking to determine whether we should make an investment. If the MPV is positive, we will undertake it. If the MPV is not, we will not. But the question here is asking specifically, how do we treat this $20,000? A, added to the initial investment. B, deducted from future cash flow. C, ignored in the analysis. D, amortized over the life of the project. All right. How would you make that decision? How would you treat this $20,000 if you want to compute the MPV? And the answer is you will ignore it. The $20,000 is considered a sunk cost. Nothing we can do about that cost. Don't take it into account, because whether we accept this project or we don't accept this project, it's irrelevant for us. To make that determination, we'd look at future cash flow. Therefore, in this analysis, this is an example of a sunk cost, because if you take it into account, added, deducted, amortize it, it doesn't matter. You are taking it into account. It's not a sunk cost. What should you do now? Whether you are a finance student, CPA exam candidate, CMA, studying for some professional certification, my best advice to you is to invest in yourself. No one can take that away from you. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, AI resources, lectures. Don't shortchange yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.